Good evening to all my awesome friends and family. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so excited to share with you what I found when I was at HomeGoods this week. Oh, are these not the most beautiful plates you've ever seen? I had to buy them when I saw them. Look at how beautiful they are. And they have so many multiple colors in them. They have grays, reds, whites, purples, greens, gray, blue. You can make so many different color combination with these plates. And of course, you know how much Grandma loves florals designs also. I was so happy with everything that I found. And then of course, Grandma can't wait to see how many tablescapes she can put together with these beautiful, beautiful salad plates. And then I found these beautiful white plates also. And they both are the same manufacturer. Are they not beautiful too? And they have like a butterfly design around the whole edge of it. Don't you think they could be butterflies? They look like it to me. Hope you can see how beautiful they are. When I saw these, I just had to have them. They were so beautifully designed, and they're very good quality dishes on top of that. I only bought a set of two because that's what Grandma does, tablescape for two. There's just me and Grandpa, and I can always work some other design into the other two place settings if I have company. And then I got super excited when I saw this butter dish with this honeycomb design and the bee on the corner. Is that not a beautiful butter dish that I found? I couldn't believe how reasonable it was. This was one of my favorite finds I really enjoyed. And I can't wait to start sharing it with you and more displays. Guess I'm going to have to unpack some of my bee accessories for I can share what I have found now. Butter dish wasn't too bad. It was $5.99. I did see another one very similar, but it didn't have the bee and it was exact same price. So why not get the one with the bee? That's the one I really wanted anyway, along with that beautiful honeycomb design. And I couldn't believe how reasonable it was. Then I found a doggone little pitcher for the milk. Isn't it cute? And it has the honeycomb design also. Sorry, I couldn't find one with a bee, but it is really, really cute and I really love it. I'll keep looking. Maybe I'll be lucky and find a sugar bowl down the road. Sometimes that happens. It was $3.99, so that wasn't a bad price either. You know how much Grandma loves her bees accessories. Keep adding to what I have. And then, of course, Grandma does lots of fairy gardens and accessories in the home to do with fairy themes. So they had a big container of moss for $4.99. That's $15. I know that sounds sort of expensive, but I reuse it over and over and over again. And when you buy this, it's very expensive. And usually it isn't very much, it's just a little tiny bit. And this was a pretty big bag. So this should make me through till next spring, hopefully, with what I already own and have in this too. Because you know, Grandma always likes to do a lot of fairy gardens in her garden. And I have bought a lot more stuff for you to enjoy. Well, I went around the house looking for bees accessories that I already had in own to go with all my new pieces that I found and just purchased over at HomeGoods. As you can see, I did find some beautiful pieces. And of course, you know I had to use that beautiful butter dish that I just got with the bee on the corner. You know, that couldn't wait to share that with you in a tablescape. And of course, I am going to do my Mackenzie Childs bee and napkin rings also. Are they not beautiful too? I always enjoy my Mackenzie Childs pieces that I have purchased. And I'm trying to stay in with the bee theme as much as possible. And I just love that little bee on the corner of the butter dish. What do you think about it? I loved it. And then of course that creamer, I just had to have it too, with the honeycomb pattern on it. Isn't it going beautiful with everything we've put together for this bee theme? And we also found a few more of Mackenzie Childs pieces around the house to add to it, since they are some of my favorites. And then, of course, I have a couple more things with bees on them also here. Hope you're going to enjoy the bee theme that I put together. Well, what do you think of it? And of course, I had to pull out my lemons and a lot of my beautiful flowers and stuff. Let me know what was your favorite piece I found.